Hello students, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to study about Michaelis-Menten constant, and we will also study what is the effect of inhibitor for this constant. See carefully beta, whenever the substrate concentration is increasing, okay, we are finding the rate of the reaction is also increasing. You can see graph in this graph, it is increasing. And finally, one level will come whenever, if suppose after this, if you increase substrate concentration, it will not increase because it has reached to the maximum velocity, and we say that is Vmax. Vmax is the maximum velocity, in which case whatever further you increase the substrate concentration, rate of reaction will not increase. Why? Because all the enzyme active sites are now occupied. So Vmax. Now this is half Vmax. Understand beta please, this is half Vmax, and the substrate concentration which is required to achieve half Vmax is known as Km. Km is also known as Michaelis-Menten constant. Now it is used to measure the affinity of an enzyme for its substrate. If Km value is low, it means enzyme is having more affinity. Clear beta? Now let us study this diagram. See, this is a diagram in case of competitive inhibitor. Please focus only one diagram right now. This is for the competitive inhibitor. So this is the blue color is when there is no inhibitor present. So we are finding this is Vmax for blue color when it is not inhibited. And in case of competitive inhibitor also the Vmax is achieved. Clear beta? This is now half Vmax. And this half Vmax for uninhibited, you can find this is the value of Km. This is value of Km. But in case of competitive inhibitor, you can check. I'll just use a different color. In case of competitive inhibitor, you can find the value of Km has increased. It means in case of competitive inhibitor, Km value is increasing, but Vmax is constant. It is not changing. So competitive inhibitor can be overcome by increasing the substrate concentration. Or you can say the value of Km is high in presence of inhibitor. It tells us that right now affinity of enzyme for substrate has decreased because of the presence of inhibitor. Understood beta? This diagram is clear. Now see the next diagram. Once again, see this is uninhibited. So this is Vmax and this is half Vmax. So this is the Km. 1 minute. This is Km in case of uninhibited, means no inhibition is done. Now let us study the case in which there is non-competitive. We'll focus only on non-competitive in this graph. Non-competitive. So if you see Vmax value has decreased, this is the Vmax of non-competitive inhibition. Clear? So this is half Vmax for non-competitive inhibition. Are you getting me? Now if you see the diagram, check beta, Km value is same. Km value is same. But what is the main thing? Vmax has decreased. So in case of non-competitive inhibition, we are finding Km value is same. It is not changing. Neither it is increasing, neither it is decreasing, but Vmax value has decreased. So I hope so this graph, which is generally asked in many exams, competitive exam like Olympiads and all, I hope this concept might be easy for you. I have taken the two graphs just to explain in case of competitive first diagram and considering only non-competitive in case of second diagram. I hope so this video might be helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.